So just an update on my Adams ceramic coating. This is after a week. I gave it a good wash a week ago today. This is driving in 3 days worth of rain and still having plenty of salt residue on the roads. You can see the paint is still nearly perfect. The vinyl looks good. So this whole front quarter panel, other than the rock chip right there, looks pretty good. Wheels and tires are filthy. Plastics are filthy, but this gives you a good view of just how dirty the vehicle would be. Got some salt residue.
Hey Mom, watch out!
Here on the side. But further up where the water rolls off of it better. I'm pretty impressed. You can see the vinyl still in really good shape up here. See kind of the salt residue there. Overall, very clean. Now, one thing I hate about the Blazer, it gets flipping dirty on the back end. It is so filthy. All that yuck. So, I'm excited to pressure wash it, get it back to rights. But this shows you how dirty a vehicle could be. That coating, and then we look right here. Look how clean that is. It is very, very clean considering. All right, I'll do a little walkthrough after I get them washed. So before I get started, I've been working to really try to get my whole setup perfected, because it's kind of a pain in the neck to pull everything out. Almost takes me more time to get it out and put it away than it does to actually do it. But I go kind of old school. I use the Black Magic bleach white on my tires, because this is by far the best tire cleaner, especially if you have white letter tires, which we don't anymore. We thought those were out of style, but apparently we're wrong. I do like the Meguiar's wheel cleaner. It's simple and easy to do. I use a couple of different brushes to clean these. These are not terribly difficult to clean. They're pretty simple. So I just got the wheel woolly brush. This one is the tire brush. That's the soft one for the faces. And then of course the detail brush to get in the little spots there. But I'm gonna start with just a faucet on the water hose. I'm gonna do the bleach white on the dry tire, scrub the tire really good, and then wet down and clean the rims really well. Because I just find it very awkward being a female with short arms to try and wrestle this long wand when I'm doing my wheels and tires. So, and that's the rest of my stuff that I use there. Pretty cool. So just another little update. This is how good that coating is doing on the hood. Sheets right off of there. When I put the quick detailers on it, it almost just rolls right off. Good stuff.